Hello everyone, here we are on the 19th of September 2019. It is a Thursday afternoon and we're flying around the housing project on Ridge Avenue. A lot of activity's been going on down here the way it looks. I think it was only a couple of short days ago when I posted the past video, and here it is. Right in the front section, there's 3 more units. The framework's going up around them. And once we get down a little farther on the right hand side, you'll see there's everything in that row now is under roof. And across the road from the second and third one in there, across the road's another 3 unit job going in the way it looks. So things are moving right along. We'll have to make a note to fly down there a little bit more often. And the usual, down in the comments section, you'll be able to click on the link that takes you back to the previous video, and you can see what for progress they're making there. So enjoy the video. Have a good day, everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.